This is how to delete Vercel accounts. From your dashboard, go to your profile located at the upper right corner. Just click your profile. Go to account settings. Then go to general and scroll down. You can see here delete accounts. So just click delete personal accounts. Copy your username. Paste it here. And just copy this one. And paste it here. And just click delete. You can choose a feedback. So I'll just choose this one. Click next. And your reason to stop using Vercel. Okay, let's say lack of necessary features. And just click submit. Then we will go to our email. It contains a confirmation link to delete our account permanently. So we have the link right here on our email. Just click delete my account. And our Vercel account is now being deleted. And wait for an email for more information about the deletion of your account. So this is how to delete Vercel account.